With a graphical representation, we want to explain the exchange of data between connector property management and cash flow sync. The self-development connector property management is directly connected with cash flow sync and can transfer data to cash flow sync via internet. At the client switch tree system can also be connected directly via interface. If you don't use connector property management, the exchange to cash flow sync can also be possible. In this case, the data will be first checked for consistency with the help of an application programming interface. Afterwards, the data will be transmitted to cash flow sync. In this tutorial about property management, we want to show you how to book payments of a tenant and also upload them into cash flow sync. At first, we have to run a debit estimation to get a view of all outstanding debts. Therefore, select in the upper start bar the field Accounting and choose Automatic Debit Estimation. Hausstar will now search through all the units of the selected object and create on the basis of the saved data the debit estimation for the inhabitants as well as for the owners. Eventually existing debit estimations will be overwritten. Now we can start with selecting the appropriated object. In our example, we choose the object HP12, the financial year and the corresponding date. When we are done, we select the button Start. The debit estimation was successfully created. In our next step, we select in the upper start bar the field Accounting and choose Book Debit Estimation. To get a detailed listing of our payments, you must take over the information which you have selected previously. Now you can start to book the payments by selecting the button Book Manually. In the following window, a booking can be registered. For example, after an invoice was paid for repairing the heating. Now please select the according account, the type of the payment, whether it's an income or expense, the date when you received the payment, and if available, the VAT rate. Confirm your entries by selecting the button Book. If you decide to book further payments, select Yes. If you don't decide to, the button No. In the next step, we want to upload the payments to cash flow sync web portal. In order to do this, you must select in the upper start bar the field cash flow sync data and choose Upload Manager Bookings to cash flow sync. Here you can choose the according managers. In our example, we choose the Orgaplan Hessen GmbH. In the field Start Date and End Date, you select the time period when the payment was created and confirm your selection with the button Upload. Now please enter your user data of cash flow sync web portal and select the button Next. In the following window, you see the payments which will be uploaded to cash flow sync. Select the button Start. The payment was successfully uploaded. If you want to view the uploaded payments, proceed as follows. At first, select in the upper start bar the field cash flow sync data and choose cash flow sync portal. Please select the corresponding language at first and enter your user data of cash flow sync. You will be now guided to the start page of cash flow sync web portal. In the final step, you have to select under Accounting the field Accountant Operations in order to view your uploaded payments.